Good morning, everyone. Get ready for the prayer. Join your hand and close your eyes. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना। तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना। कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना। कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना। नारी का बन जाऊं न पानी, नारी का बन जाऊं न पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बहाना। अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना। तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना।
Father, we thank Thee for their night and for the present morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good in all we do and in all we say. Help us to grow more loving every day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is education is not only a leader of opportunities, but it is also an investment in our future.
Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to speak about the discipline. Okay, as a teacher in the school, this is my responsibility to realize the rules and regulation, and discipline is very important in our life. No, here I come to know that many students are coming from the different kind of families, and all have a different kind of problems, whether they come from the rich family, whether they come from the poor family, etc. Okay, so discipline is the first thing in the life of students, and it leads his or her to give the successful life. No, when the students comes in our school, they learn different kind of things from the teachers, from the parents, etc. And the teachers' roles in the school is very important, and we cannot neglect anyone or any students, that how to talk, how to communicate with the students, how to communicate with the other students, etc. I have observed that many students comes from this different kind of family, and they are facing the different kind of problems also. Here you come to know also that some students are doing the bad behavior with the others. Why they are doing such things? What is the reason behind that? Why they are doing such things with the other students? What is the problem of that? So, as a teacher, this is our responsibility that we just go with the children. We can also talk easily with the students, and we can also help to them. No, it is necessary as our child we are doing. In the last, I just want to say that if we all are human beings, no, हम सब एक human being हैं. What we have to do when we talk with another person, we have some criteria, no? We cannot talk anyone with a rudely. At least we can talk with a polite way. If we have this kind of things, then we also can apply in the student also. Here in the last, I just want to tell that I hope you will like the way of discipline, and you will also apply in your life about the discipline. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone. Today is the 19th of September, that is Saturday. Today is the National Dance Day. Also today is the National Gymnastic Day, National Neo Like Pirate Day, and Talk Like a Pirate Day. So these are the 4 days on this is the special on 19th September. Thank you.
आज के मुख्य समाचार। भारतीय सेना ने जम्मू कश्मीर मुठभेड़ में अपने जवानों को दोषी माना 3 लोगों की गई थी जान, कार्यवाही का आदेश। क्या मोती है फ्रॉन्ट ग्रैंड 21 सितंबर से 20 जोड़ी ट्रेनें शुरू कर रहा है रेलवे। किसान बिल के मुद्दे पर कांग्रेस फैला रही है भ्रम। पीएम मोदी को किया बर्थडे विश। ओके, थैंक यू।
Get ready for the wait. We will take place together. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat anyone equally. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity. Jai Hind.
Get ready for the national song. Attention. Study it. Attention. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujalam Shubhalam Malayaj Sheetalam Shashishamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubha Jyosna Pulakitayamini Pula Kushumita Drumadal Shobhini Suhasini Shumadura Pasini Shukadam Varidam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram. Medical line, repeat after me. I am the best. God is with me. Today is my day. I can do it. I am winner. I am very happy. I am very healthy. I love and respect everyone. I love my school and nation. Thank you.